start by talking about Bengal, where the spate of violence in the state continues amid the elections. Clashes erupted in the Satulia area in Bhangor within the Jadavpur constituency between the Indian Secular Front and the CPIM supporters. Bombs were hurled allegedly on ISF candidate. TMC has been accused for attacking ISF and CPM workers supporters in Satulia area of Bhangor, which comes under the Jadavpur Lok Sabha constituency. Meanwhile, the protest took place against BJP's Tapas Roy. Go back slogans were raised against him. Tapas Roy said that TMC goons are trying to disturb the poll process.
We're standing right now in Satulia in Bhangor assembly segment, which falls under the larger Jadavpur Lok Sabha constituency in Bengal. This is the TMC office here, the local TMC party office. And you can see the scenes of destruction over here. The TMC alleges that early this morning at about 5:30 a.m., ISF workers, that's the Indian Secular Front Party workers, came and hurled bombs right outside this party office. Let me just show you over here what we see in terms of remnants. This happened just a few hours ago. These are the remnants of the country-made bombs that were hurled in this area by allegedly ISF workers. That is what the TMC is alleging at the moment. They claim that many of their party workers who were still present over here, who were there because election process and the voting process was to begin at about 7 a.m. in the morning, were injured as a result of this and are currently receiving medical attention in a nearby hospital. This is the Trinamool party office where we are right now. This is in the Satulia area of Bhangor assembly segment, as I said, and this is the incident of violence which now the BJP alleges is a symbol of TMC's reign of terror. The violence that continues to mar elections in Bengal remaining a huge area of concern. Law and order, again, a huge area of concern during elections here in Bengal. With camera person Krishan Kumar, Polami Saha from Bhangor in Jadavpur Lok Sabha constituency for India Today.
BJP North Kolkata candidate Tapas Roy is facing protest from Trinamool Congress workers. As you can see, he's moving from one location to the other, and suddenly heated altercation between Trinamool Congress supporters here and Tapas Roy, who is the BJP candidate there. He's facing protests by women. This is a common template we have seen in other constituencies as well. Tapas Roy being escorted by the CISF, security personnel. But, as soon as Tapas Roy reached one of the booths in Beleghata area, immediately protests have erupted with a group of women protesting against him, saying that, they're raising go back slogans. They're saying that he was in the TMC and he has now gone against the TMC, and that's the reason why anger spilling out on the streets against Tapas Roy. Go back slogans being raised by Trinamool Congress workers, who is obstructing his vehicle right now, and the central security forces who are there will ask Tapas Roy, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस तरह का protest?
These are all TMC goons. They are actually trying to disturb the vote.
तो तापस राय कह रहे हैं कि तृणमूल के जो गूंस है वो जो पोलिंग प्रोसेस है उसको खराब करना चाहते हैं.
So it's a shameless act on the part of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. You're seeking vote to break an elected government. कभी हुआ नहीं है ये. लोग कहते हैं कि भाई आप मुझे जिताइए, मैं 5 साल ये काम करूंगा, या तो ये मेरा रिपोर्ट कार्ड है, आप मुझे जिताइए, मैं ये काम 10 साल में किया और 5 साल में आऊंगा तो ये करूंगा. पीएम का जो प्रोमिसेस है आप उठा के देख लीजिए. उन्होंने कहा कि भाई 50 दिन में अगर काला धन खत्म नहीं हुआ तो जिस चौड़ाए पे मुझे ले जाके आप जो सजा देंगे मुझे मंजूर है. कितना साल हो गया? 8 साल हो गया. 8 साल में कितना दिन होता है? 3000 दिन. 50 दिन छोड़ दीजिए, काला धन खत्म हुआ. तो ये फेलियर किसका है?
Ma'am, how confident are you of a victory? Because this is a 3-cornered contest that we're witnessing here in Jadavpur.
Yeah, but then the polls have always resulted, in favor of Mamata Banerjee and TMC. If we look at the past trends, people of Jadavpur, they trust Trinamool Congress, and this time it's not going to be any different from that.
There are reports of violence, unrest coming in from Bhangor Assembly segment, which falls under this Lok Sabha constituency. BJP claiming, that they are being brutally assaulted by TMC workers.
There's a bunch of antisocial and this political party called ISF, and they are behind this entire violence scene because they know that they are not going to crack it this time. So, and I don't think BJP should complain because BJP, CPM and ISF have kind of united to make it difficult for the Trinamool. I just request all of them to, maintain peace and help people cast their vote rightfully.
Eventually, how do you see the results panning out on June 4th, a 7-phased election over here? Trinamool contested all by itself on 42 seats without its partners in alliance with it.
Game is on. We are going to make it and we are going to win it with a huge margin.
अभी तक आपको क्या रिपोर्ट मिल रही है, किस तरह का चुनाव हो रहा है?
चुनाव तो इस बार तो अलग ही होगा क्योंकि आज 2011 से लोगों को चुनाव नहीं होने दे रहा था ये तीनों टीएमसी की नेता लोगों ने, तो 2024 में चुनाव होगा और इसमें जो रुकवात की जो काम करे वो तृणमूल की लोग तो हर टाइम तो ये तो आम जनता के ऊपर तो ये अत्याचार तो करती ही रहती है। और रात में जो सुन रही हूँ घर घर जाके पैसा दे रही है, जो पैसा नहीं ले रहा है उनका घर से बाहर निकल के मार रही है। तो वोट देगा, वोट आम जनता देगा और सिर्फ बीजेपी को ही वोट देगा लोगों ने।